Hey Jeremy, how you doing? This is Manolo from Clover SEO Design, a local Tulsa marketing agency. Thank you for responding to my post in the Stand Up to COVID-19 Facebook group, and thank you for clicking on this video. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to do my best to keep this quick. So in this video, I'm going to briefly show you some ways that you can start bringing in more customers to your business. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to make the internet work for them in order to bring in more customers. So I'm trying to help as many local businesses that I can, and I enjoy making these attack plans, giving away some quick tips and tricks. And if you like what I'm saying, you get what I'm laying down, please don't hesitate to ask some questions. I love to chat. So without further ado, let's get into it. I am looking at your Facebook page here and seeing some of the stuff you do. You make some really cool stuff, some cool shirts, some cool woodwork, carvings and stuff, and just some designs. It's a very visual industry that you're in. So I'm going to tell you why right now I feel that the best way for you to start bringing in traffic is through Facebook advertising. With a lot of companies, I recommend they go the old SEO route and they try to get themselves up here ranking in this part of Google, and down here in this part of Google, the organic searches. This is called the map pack, and I'm going to explain to you why I don't think that's a huge thing that you need to focus on right now. I think that the most effective thing that you could do is do Facebook marketing. Let me show you why. So when someone types in Tulsa Custom Woodworking, these are the first companies that pop up in the map pack. This is your competition, so to speak, for woodworking. I know you do other things. I know you do custom clothing and all that. And I did some research on that, and it's very similar results. So again, Facebook ads are your friend here. The first two people in the organic search results are even Facebook pages. These guys don't even have websites. The first real website is Kirk Creations, and let's pull up some analytics. Kirk Creations has 24 backlinks, 10 referring domains, 18 organic keywords. These are all ranking factors for Google. But the fact is they don't have any organic traffic. And I did the research. Neither do the people up here in Tulsa Custom Woodworking. So no one is really being found for this industry. And the same deal with, custom clothing design and all the other services you are offering. It's not behooving anyone to be ranked on Google. There's no traffic coming in. This is the first. This is the Irwin Carpentry. They are right here in the Google Map Pack, and they are second. And look, they have no traffic. So let's just skip straight to Facebook ads. Here's where you would do the best. You put up some Facebook ads, and I did some research in Tulsa, Oklahoma, surrounding Tulsa, Oklahoma. So Tulsa, when you Google the population of Tulsa, Oklahoma, it's like 450,000 people. But when you include the suburbs, 25-mile radius, it's about 1 million people. So Facebook would target Tulsa, Oklahoma, and the surrounding 25 miles. I put an age range of 25 to 65. It could be, 18 to 65. I don't know your demographics. I'd have to ask you a little closer. But I put people interested in home decor products, homeowners, fashion and design. And it looks like if you add ads on Facebook, your estimated daily results, you'd have a reach of 1.7 thousand to 4.9 thousand people. So that's just a little bit about how you could do Facebook ads to reach this many people and start getting customers more customers checking out your business. And because I was saying in the beginning, because you have such a visual business where, people need to see this stuff. Like if someone sees an ad with, this cool shirt here, or these cool little wood, artisanal wood projects that you do, or this other shirt, and they're all locals. You do a local ad for a local company here in Tulsa that are making these cool shirts. I think you're going to get some interest in it. So that's my recommendation. Do Facebook ads. If you have any questions, I would be happy to help. We know how to do Facebook ads, or if you want to do it yourself, there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube. Check it out. If you'd like to set up a discovery call, my personal number is 424-273-9836. My office number is 918-353-3356, or you can reach out to me on Facebook Messenger. So yeah, again, my recommendation to you is definitely do Facebook ads. You're gonna make some sales with it. All right. I look forward to hearing from you, or you have a nice one. And again, take this little bit of information and implement some Facebook ads. All right. Take care. Bye.